Okay, so this is the 7018B double din touchscreen that you can pick up dirt cheap on eBay. It actually works pretty good, especially on OEM speakers, because it claims it has 60 watts. How that 60 watts is distributed is another debate, but not for this video. So let's say you got the blue screen. I've seen some people complaining that they have the blue screen, and I figured out that I have the blue screen for a particular reason, and that is because I had the lights on. So when I turn the lights off, as you can see, it comes on. So there you have it. Let me show you which wires you have to disconnect and connect. And here lies the problem. If you connected the orange wire to the orange wire on the wiring harness, that's where I went wrong, and that's where you'll go wrong. So just unplug, don't connect the orange wires. Your stereo will still play, and you will never have the blue screen when you turn on your lights. So there you have it.